Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you can switch accounts. Make sure an admin account exists so you don't lock yourself out. Once ready, press Windows key, type Settings, Open Accounts, then Family and Other Users. You'll see account types listed. Locate the account currently set to run as administrator. If you need to, sign into the admin account now so you can change privileges. This step prevents accidental loss of access and prepares you for safely removing elevated rights. Now you change the account type. Select the user to modify, click Change Account Type, and choose Standard User. You do this because Standard removes automatic administrative privileges while keeping files intact. It's safer than deleting the account. After confirming, sign out of any affected session and sign back in to apply changes. If UAC prompts appear, approve them from an admin session. Once done, verify the account can no longer install apps or change system settings without an admin password. Finalize by cleaning group memberships. Open Computer Management, expand local users and groups, then Groups. Double-click administrators and remove the user. Add them to users if needed. You do this because group membership enforces privilege levels system-wide. After changes, test by trying an administrative action. You should be blocked or asked for admin credentials. If something breaks, sign in with an admin account and reverse the change. Troubleshooting tip: if you lose admin access, use safe mode or a recovery admin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.